snake's kind of given up.
Yeah, it's just trying to get away.
What's wrong?
Something. I'm definitely sympathetic to the snake.
Well, I don't know why he didn't go into the bush where the...
And that's the bird's orange-breasted scrub robin.